Alright, this is kind of a fun video. My solder pot would not heat up. The light would turn on, but the element in there, I think, is toast. So I bought another one, and also a solder bar here. And what I decided to do was do a video on this thing melted, kind of like a time-lapse deal. But this is the new solder pot. That's the old one. I took the solder out of the old one and put it in the new one. And these things aren't that expensive. 16 bucks on Prime. And I'll leave a link in the description below. But I also picked up another 60% tin, 40% lead bar. This has no rosin core, nothing here, just pure solder, basically. It lasts forever, too. And I drilled a hole to get the old chunk of solder out of the old one and put it in the new one and set up the camera on a tripod to watch this baby melt. It's kind of fun. Alright, let's take a look at it and see what happens. (300°F) isn't too bad to tin wire. And what I'm doing here is I'm spooning off some of the old rosin flux off the surface and grabbed a piece of 10 AWG THHN wire I had laying around, a little bit of liquid rosin flux on there, sticky stuff, and let's dip it. You don't need to put it in there very long, about 5-6 seconds or so. It came out really, really good. It needs to be just a touch hotter, and I need to dip it for just a little bit less time. Alright guys, hey, thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to click on the links below.